not to stay. Got sweet open area, fire pit, and then I don't know if you can hear, but there's a raging river right past the van there. Now we'll see if it's gonna snow and rain all day tomorrow like they say it's supposed to.
This is my favorite thing in the world. Me personally, cooking over a wood fire. We've been doing this for a while and I think we're getting okay at it. But this right here, I would go camping just to do this. I don't even have to stay overnight. I could just come do this every night. We like to take advantage of wood fires for this reason whenever we can. Because in about a month, not even a month, there are a lot of places we won't be able to have wood fires. So this right here is my favorite thing to do. And it tastes good too when it's done. We're moving.
It won't stop snowing?
It's really coming down. There's one little obstacle that I think is causing us both a little anxiety. I think we're just overthinking it. So we are going to relocate. It's a really cool spot right up past that obstacle, and I think if we can just get up there and tomorrow we can get out of camp just fine. But this storm was no joke. The weathermen were right for once.
May the 4th be with you. Snowing in the Tahoe National Forest. Did not expect this on our camp trip, but it is beautiful. Hopefully we can just get out of here and we don't get stuck. Doesn't like the snow, huh?
We'll get it.
So close. It just does not want to go.
Get closer.
It's real life. Getting that awning down was no joke.
No.
Brian had to get up on top of the van. Now we're still trying to pack up. Were you having fun yet?
Yes. I love this stuff.
I don't know, going home in front of the fireplace and watching the Kentucky Derby sounds really nice right about now. Our friends told us not to stay, and they may have been the wiser ones this weekend. Oh no, this is exactly what I was afraid of. That fucking rock, man.
We are winching out. This tree is too big.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get out of here.
Brutal, man. Look at that.
Well, that was exciting. First time using the winch, but I think we got her out with minimal damage. Just a little kiss on the rock slider. Now let's see if we can get out the rest of the way. Yes. So close.
Get to this spot where I can use the initial match tracks.
See if we can get our windshield wipers working again. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Woo! You got this, babe.
You got this. So today was pretty gnarly. We came out here this weekend knowing there was going to be some weather. We started getting snow earlier than we thought. Our friends took off earlier. They were smart. We were just gonna, stick it out, and we were watching the weather, and it was kind of up and down. And then it started dumping on us. So we were talking, and we're like, maybe we should move to higher ground. There was one obstacle we got over to get to our campsite, and we started worrying about getting back out over that obstacle. We started to pack up, and luckily we did, for a number of reasons, but our awning, we couldn't get the awning to go back in because there was so much snow and ice on it, no matter how much we knocked the snow off. And knowing that, if we would have tried to bring the awning in tonight at 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I think we would have lost it. We wouldn't be able to get the awning back in. And we ended up moving, but we got stuck on that obstacle we were worried about. And we got stuck again after that and decided we should probably just go home. But it was a good experience. We finally got to use the winch in the van. We stayed calm. I think both of us could have panicked. And we were getting snowed on, and it wasn't necessarily fun, but it was a really good experience. I'm very confident in this van. I'm getting confident in my own skills, especially with self-recovery. And like I said, just staying calm. And we took a little body damage to the bumper, one of our side steps, but that's okay. We got this van. There's a purpose for this van. And another reason I'm glad we left was the snow really started to pile up, and we're not really familiar with these roads. we easily could have got lost today or stuck in like a really bad ditch, pond. So it's just a good thing we left, and today was a learning experience for sure, and I'm glad we did it. I'm not bummed about the body damage. I'm just glad we got out safe and, like I said, stayed calm. I think Wes is ready to go home. So we're gonna get home, try to get as much of this stuff out of the van so it can dry out. Today it was brutal, man, but good times. I'm glad we did it, and we're almost to pavement. We'll see if there is pavement. I don't know if they're plowing this time of year, but we're a quarter mile away from the main road, so everything worked out. All those YouTube videos, self-recovery videos, really paid off because it really made me stop and pay attention to what I was doing, and I have all the right equipment. So let's get out of here. Make sure, if you enjoy this stuff, please subscribe, follow. We have some big news coming, and anyone that follows, anyone that watches our videos, subscribes, it really helps us out, and it will really help us out in the future, hopefully. So follow us for another adventure out there.
I've got my eye on the highway. I've got my boat set to sail.